good morning. Welcome to another session of chemistry. Today I'm going to start with glass. What is glass? Glass is hard, brittle, non-crystalline material. So glass is hard, brittle, non-crystalline material. What do you mean by non-crystalline? Non-crystalline means the solids with irregular shape. It can be transparent, translucent or opaque. Glass is prepared by heating silica. Silica means sand. Silica with sodium carbonate, limestone, and potassium, or with sodium nitrate at high temperature. So glass is prepared by heating silica with sodium carbonate, limestone and potassium, or with sodium nitrate at very high temperature. Manganese compounds are used to decolorize glass. And for coloring glass, certain coloring agents are added. Now let us discuss few types of glasses. First one is the soda lime glass. Soda lime glass is mainly used in drinking tumblers, window panes, etc. Low quality of glassware is used. So soda lime glass, low quality of glassware is used. Low quality glassware is used. Next comes the hard or potash glass. In this, better quality of glassware is used. So here, better quality of glassware is used. Better quality of glassware is used, and even it is used in making decorative items. Now third comes the flint or crystal glass. Flint or crystal glass. Flint or crystal glass, it is mainly used in making optical instruments, electric bulbs, etc. Now, next comes the safety glass. Safety glass is mainly used in automobiles and aircraft. Fifth one is the colored glass. Colored glass is mainly used in wall decoration, sunglasses and traffic signal lights. All this we make use of colored glass. Next one is Pyrex glass or borosilicate glass. This glass is mainly used in making laboratory apparatus. Next comes the quartz glass. Quartz glass is mainly used in making crucibles. So quartz glass is mainly used in making crucibles. What do you mean by crucibles? Crucibles means hot melting pot that is extremely used for chemical reaction. So to make that, we make use of quartz glass. Next is Photochromatic glass. Next comes photochromatic glass. Next comes photochromatic photochromatic glass. Now, photochromatic glass is mainly used in making spectacles. Usually, this type of glass, when they become black in color when it is exposed to ultraviolet radiation and changes back to normal when it is not exposed. So this type of glass is known as photochromatic glass. Now the last one is the optical fibers. Optical fibers. Glass used to make optical fiber. The fibers are very transparent and flexible. It is used in making medical instruments, cable wires, telephone wires, etc. Now let's start with soaps and detergents. What are soaps and detergents? They are sodium and potassium salts of hydrocarbon compounds. So soaps and detergents are Soaps are sodium and potassium salts of hydrocarbon compounds. Soaps are manufactured as solid cakes. So soaps are manufactured as solid cakes. And detergents are in the form of powder or powdered form. In powdered form. Now let us see the uses of soaps and detergents. Soaps are used for bathing. Detergents are used as a cleansing agent for removing grease, oil, paints, and also to remove the dirt from cloths and washing utensils. Now let us see how the dirt is removed from cloths. One end of one end one end of the soap is attached with the dirt particle with the dirt particle. One end of the soap is attached with the dirt particle and other end is attached with the water molecule. Water molecule. With excess of water, the dirt gets washed away from cloths. This is how the dirt is removed from cloths. So, see this. So, using detergent and how we can wash the clothes or how we can remove the dirt from clothes. One end of the soap is or detergent is attached with dirt particle and other end is attached with water molecule. With excess of water, the dirt is removed from cloths. Now let us see what are plastics. What are two types of plastics? Next comes plastics. Next comes plastics. Plastics are of two types. Plastics are of two types. One is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic. And another one is thermoplastic. Thermoplastics. Now let us see in detail what is thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which cannot be remolded on heating. Which cannot be remolded. Which cannot be remolded when heated. Example for thermosetting plastics, that is bakelite, melamine, etc. And thermosetting plastics are used in making the handles of utensils and also in making the cabinets of television sets. These are the uses of thermosetting plastic. Now let us come on to thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are plastics which can be remolded, which can be remolded when heated. It can be remolded when heated. Example for thermoplastics, that is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So PVC means polyvinyl chloride, or another example is polyethylene. This plastic is mainly used in making cables of telephone and cables of television wires, and it is also used in making plastic bags. Now let us start with paints, enamels and dyes. First, let us have a look what are paints. Paints are colorful. Paints are colorful, thick chemical liquids. They are colorful, thick chemical liquids, chemical liquids made up of fine particles, fine particles, zinc, magnesium, zinc, magnesium, and aluminium, aluminium, and aluminium salts. And aluminium salts. So, paints are colorful, thick chemical liquids made up of fine particles of zinc, magnesium, and aluminium salts. Based on the type of solvent, they have been divided into water-based and oil-based. Example for paint, common white paint, white paint, common white paint, white paint. White paint contains zinc oxide. The chemical that is present in white paint is zinc oxide. And white paint is mainly used in preventing rusting of iron and also used in cosmetic industry. Children, buildings are being painted. Why the buildings are being painted? Because in order to prevent the decay of moisture, that is the reason. Because to prevent the decay of moisture and the growth of microorganisms and the growth of microorganisms. That is why the buildings are being painted. Next, let us have a look on enamels. What are enamels? Enamels. Enamels are organic oil paints. So enamels are organic oil paints. It's usually obtained from plant resin. And enamels are mainly used for painting household articles like refrigerator, stoves, pots, etc. This is about enamel. Now let us have a look on dyes. What are dyes? Dyes are colorful organic substance. They are colorful organic, 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 substance. They are either obtained from plants or it can be prepared synthetically. Dyes are used in textile industry to impart color to the cloths. And even synthetic dyes. Synthetic dyes are mainly used in coloring hair and skin. Let us see a few examples of natural dyes. Natural dyes, example turmeric, saffron, beetroot. All these are examples for natural dyes. Now let us see what are stains, how it is caused. Stains are caused due to perspiration. Stains are caused due to perspiration. What do you mean by perspiration? Perspiration means sweat. So stains can be removed. Stains can be removed by using lime juice or vinegar. Next, carpet stains. How to remove different types of stains. First one, let us see carpet stains. Carpet stains can be removed by using salt or coconut oil. So carpet stains can be removed by using salt or coconut oil. Next one is tuck stains. Next is tuck stains. Tuck stains can be removed by using hydrogen peroxide. So tuck stains can be removed by using hydrogen peroxide. Now comes the blood stain or ink stain. Blood stain or ink stain or ink stain. Ink stains can be removed by using oxalic acid. By removing oxalic acid. And the stain from woolen clothes. Stain from woolen clothes can be removed by using woolen clothes. Can be removed by using glycerin. By using glycerin. So these are the different types of chemicals used to remove stains. Now let us see what are silicones. Silicones. Silicones are man-made substances. Silicones are man-made substances. It is a combination of silicon with other chemical substances. It has a high melting and boiling point. They are mainly used in non-stick and heat-resistant pans. They are actually non-toxic. And used in packing tin food. And silicones are used as a anti-freezing agent using ethylene glycol used in airplanes and automobiles. It is also used as a lining in raincoats and waterproof jackets. Now let us see chemistry and defense. Chemistry plays a very important role in warfare and weapons. Let us come across few explosives like trinitrotoluene, cyclotrimethylene, trinitramine. These are the examples of explosives. They are commonly or popularly known as Research Department Explosive, that is RDX. and it is also known as cyclonite or hexogen. Improvised explosive device, that is IED. This is mainly used or commonly used as a roadside bomb. So these are the examples for explosives. So with this, we come to at the end of this chapter. Thank you.